Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Ghani. You can call me Al-Ghani. I'm from Japan A in the N boarding school, Dongguan. Now I want to show you about my game. The name is Catching Fruit. One of the most simple game. If you touch banana, watermelon, and apple, you get point. But if you touch dragonfly, ladybug, and hedgehog, you get minus point. If you can get 50 point, you win. But if you get point under zero, you lose. Let's see the game. Yeah. Sudah, udah pasti. Okay, let's go. Sorry, my phone lost. Let's see, I win or not. Yeah, I win, and let's see if I lose like that. Like, yeah, I lose. Okay, guys, thank you for a nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.